Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
For 2 excruciating days, a dog named Athena dangled from a fence after catching her toe in it. But the pain must have seemed even worse for her best friend, a dog named Zeus, who stood on the other side of the fence, powerless to help. After stuck in a chain-link barrier, faithful hound Zeus refused to leave Athena's side, constantly barking until help came. This loyal hound stood for 2 whole days by his canine crush after he was trapped on a fence. After stuck in a chain-link barrier, the dutiful dog Zeus refused to leave Athena's side, constantly barking until help came. The heartwarming story of doggy loyalty emerged after an appeal to an agency for animal welfare. Karen Hirsch of the Lifeline Animal Project at Atlanta explains, "We received a call from someone who said there was a dog hanging on a fence by her toe and that she'd been there for 2 days. They knew this because somebody reported seeing him 2 days ago, but they didn't tell the caller until the day we were called. We named Athena. Standing by the dog was a boy named Zeus. Zeus barked for help nonstop until somebody finally found out about them and called us. Fulton County Animal Services employee of Lifeline Animal Project immediately dispatched to the scene and were able to pull Athena's toe off the barb sticking into it. They then brought Athena and Zeus to the Fulton County Animal Services shelter in Lifeline, and Zeus did not want Athena out of sight. When we took her back to the vet trailer for treatment, he cried and barked so loudly that we had to bring him back and put him in the cage next to her. Without Zeus, Athena could also not be taken outdoors into the play yard. Now Zeus is spending his time licking the toe of Athena and protecting her from whoever comes by." Karen said, "The toe of Athena is swollen, but we have her on medicine for pain and she's going to be all right. It's important to note that she would be euthanized or left untreated at most municipal shelters, but we treated her at our own expense, as we do all the wounded animals that come in and can be helped." To make a donation to the care of Zeus and Athena, please visit the Lifeline website and note that your donation is for Athena and Zeus in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.